Kaon ta guys.
How much money do I have now? Okay,
Akong sudan guys.
Let's go. Okay,
Laki
we
na
can,
beef guys.
upgrade our speed now.
Guys, init pa guys.
Alright, how fast? I'm still slow!
Init guys.
Come on, look how fast they are.
Tutugi,
I
guys.
make it like that, bro. Okay, I'm tired of this. How do I get fast?
Madalian yung video guys kay mag-storage yung cellphone ko guys.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's grab
Madali
that.
talaga ang video ko.
And then also,
Mag-storage siya guys.
99 Robux? Don't mind if I do. Yes, sir! Okay, and
Hindi ako
oh my
makapag-
goodness, this is exactly
Upload ng long video guys.
Alright, give me that. Okay, so now my speed should be doubled. Once these tsunamis are done, let's see how fast I am. Oh, okay, I'm a little bit faster now. I'm a little bit faster. Wait, what? Oh wait, we're not making that. We're not
Sarap
making
guys,
that.
mainit ang sabaw.
Wait, that's a gold 6-7. What's a gold
Wala
6-7?
kami na big.
Yes! We got a gold 6-7! Okay, this is what am I doing? Hey, but I don't care. I'm happy.
Ang
Yes,
tento, guys.
sir. Okay, this is our
Bago
best
isda.
brain rot so far. Alright, nice. Clap it up for that. Clap it up. $135 a second. Let's
Sarap
go.
guys.
Oh, I almost forgot. We can upgrade. Oh, and I have $1 billion. Except for you.
Kain.
Thank you. Yes! We just got gifted a Fortigini.
Gutom guys.
$2,000 a second. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Okay, now I should be Sonic fast. Okay, come on. Upgrade that speed, baby. Upgrade that speed. Okay, we've officially maxed it out.
Nakakagutom maglakad.
We're broke again. Alright, we
Nang
are broke
malayo-layo.
again. Oh my gosh,
Mainit
that's
pa
so
sa tanghali.
I'm super. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my gosh. Yes! Ah! Ah!
Just watching guys.